What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best tire balancing machine on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is XK Tire Changer. XK Tire Changer new 2.0 horsepower will changer's machine combo balancer rim clamp 950690 is manufactured by XK brand. I have not used this product before, and this written content is created only from shared technical details using clear, simple language for search-friendly reading. Total unit weight reaches 550 pounds, showing a solid workshop-focused build. Overall size measures 39 inches length, 30 inches width, and 34.6 inches height, which allows placement in standard garage spaces. Power operation depends on 110-volt electrical supply paired with a strong motor rated at 2 horsepower. Tire handling capacity supports rim holding from 10 inches through 20 inches on outside positioning, while inner holding range covers 12 inches through 24 inches. Maximum tire diameter reaches 37 inches, equal to 960 mm. Maximum wheel width supports 12 inches during service tasks. Bead separation strength is delivered through pneumatic piston action rated at 5,600 pounds. This tire changer includes bead blast air support designed for quick inflation through an air reserve tank. Operating pressure remains between 120 and 145 pounds per square inch, which aligns with 8 to 10 bar standards. Included accessories feature 4 clamp protectors along with a steel mount head and blue powder coat surface. Shipping weight reaches 580 pounds, which reflects sturdy packaging. The wheel balancer section supports rim diameter from 10 inches through 24 inches and rim width from 1.5 inches through 20 inches. Maximum wheel diameter reaches 44 inches or 1,117 mm. Maximum wheel weight equals 155 pounds. Cycle duration ranges 6 to 9 seconds per balancing session, with precision held between -1 gram and +1 gram. Power requirement stays at 110 volt. Balancing modes include dynamic static aluminum options and motorcycle setting. Package includes 3 centering cones, quick release wing nut, wheel hood protector, and side-mounted hardware storage. Blue powder coat finish completes the equipment appearance. In our list, the number 4 product name is KATOOL Tire Changer Machine. KATOOL 2.0 horsepower tire changer machine bead blaster rim clamp model KTT830W comes from KATOOL manufacturer and carries model identification KT2002. I have not used this product before, and the following content is written only from shared information using simple language for easy understanding and search visibility. This tire changer machine is built for automotive service locations handling frequent wheel-related work with steady performance expectations. The machine supports a wide working range that allows handling different wheel sizes commonly found in passenger vehicles and light trucks. Outside rim holding capacity begins at 12 inches and extends through 22 inches, while inside holding range starts at 14 inches and reaches 24 inches. This wide compatibility allows workshops to manage many vehicle types without switching equipment or tools during daily operations. Operation is supported by a dual assist structure that helps reduce physical stress on technicians during tire removal and installation. This setup allows smoother movement during wheel handling and lowers the chance of rim surface contact. With assistants working on both sides of the process, time spent per job is reduced, which helps shops maintain workflow speed during busy hours. An integrated bead blaster system is built into the machine body to support faster tire inflation. The air burst helps seat the tire bead properly against the rim without manual force. This approach supports consistent results while lowering strain caused by traditional hand methods. The process becomes more controlled and predictable, which helps avoid unnecessary delays. The overall structure is designed for long-term use in demanding service environments. Strong internal components help the machine handle repeated cycles during daily shop activity. The design supports durability for commercial operations where reliability matters. This tire changer machine supports steady productivity for businesses that manage continuous tire service demands while maintaining a clean and professional workflow. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chen Rang Tire Changer. XK 2.0 horsepower tire machine tire changer will changers machine balancer rim clamp combo 580690 is produced by CR Machinery Company and sold under Chen Rang brand name. I have not used this product before, and this description relies only on supplied technical details written in simple readable language for online search visibility. Total unit weight reaches 690 pounds, which reflects a solid industrial build for garage environments. Overall size measures 39 inches length, 30 inches width, and 34.6 inches height. Power operation uses 110-volt supply paired with a strong motor rated at 2 horsepower. Dual turntable foot pedal layout supports easier control during wheel handling tasks. Rim clamping capacity covers outside range from 10 inches through 18 inches, while inside range supports 12 inches through 20 inches. The bird head structure supports maximum tire diameter reaching 37 inches or 960 mm. Maximum wheel width reaches 12 inches. Bead braking strength reaches 5,600 pounds through pneumatic piston movement. Operating pressure remains between 120 and 145 pounds per square inch, which equals 8 to 10 bar. The Wheel Balancer 690 section includes side-mounted hardware hanging kits and follows American standard measurement settings. Rim diameter compatibility spans 10 inches through 24 inches, while rim width range reaches 1.5 inches through 20 inches. Maximum wheel diameter reaches 44 inches or 1,117 mm. Maximum supported wheel weight equals 155 pounds. Cycle time ranges 4 to 7 seconds with balancing precision maintained between -1 gram and +1 gram. Sound output stays below 70 decibel. Electrical support allows 110 volt or 220 volt power at 50 or 60 Hz. Maximum power usage ranges from 180 to 250 watt. Balancing modes include dynamic static aluminum options and motorcycle setting. Package includes 4 centering cones, quick release wing nut clamp protector steel mount head, and blue powder coat surface finish. Motorcycle adapter shown in images is not included. In our list, the number 2 product name is Mayflower Tire Changer. Mayflower 1.5 horsepower tire changer wheel changers machine balancer rim clamp combo 560680 is manufactured by Best Technology under Mayflower Products branding. I have not used this product before, and the following description is created only from provided details and clear language for online search readers. This equipment combination is designed for automotive service environments that handle wheel mounting and balance-related work on a daily basis. Power supply runs on 110 volts, which matches common workshop electrical setups. The tire changer section identified as 560 model supports rim clamping from 10 inches through 18 inches on the outside and 12 inches through 21 inches on the inside. This unit does not include a bead blaster system. Maximum tire diameter reaches 35 inches, which equals 900 mm, while maximum wheel width reaches 12 inches. Bead brake force is generated by a pneumatic piston rated at 5,600 pounds. Operating pressure ranges between 120 and 145 pounds per square inch, which aligns with 8 to 10 bar standards. The wheel balancer section, known as 680 model, works with rim diameter starting from 10 inches up to 24 inches. Rim width compatibility ranges from 1.5 inches through 20 inches. Maximum wheel diameter reaches 44 inches or 1,117 mm. Maximum supported wheel weight equals 155 pounds. This balancer operates on 110 volts only and is intended for stable balancing accuracy in typical garage conditions. This combo unit carries a 1-year full warranty from the manufacturer. The machine is not discontinued and uses part number 560/680 for identification. The overall setup supports routine tire service needs while matching American workshop measurement standards and electrical requirements. In our list, the number 1 product name is XK Tire Changer. XK new model 988 tire changer tire machine will changers combo 690 balancer rim clamp supports workshop tasks that involve mounting and balancing wheels with steady operation. This content is written for readers searching tire machine and balancer combo by XK brand while understanding specifications in a clear way. I have not used this product before and the description is based only on shared information. The unit is produced by XK manufacturer and identified as tire machine and balancer model. Total item weight reaches 840 pounds, which shows a heavy-duty build suited for garages. Overall size measures 47 inches length, 39 inches width, and 34.6 inches height. Power comes from 110-volt supply and the motor delivers 2 horsepower strength to handle daily workloads. Operating pressure follows American standards between 6 and 8 bar for controlled performance. The tire changer includes an air bead blaster function integrated into the power system. Outside clamping range works from 12 inches to 20 inches while inside clamping handles 12 inches through 24 inches. Maximum wheel diameter reaches 41 inches with width up to 12.5 inches. Bead breaker force equals 2,500 kilogram force. Machine weight alone stands near 397 pounds. The Wheel Balancer 690 model supports rim diameter from 10 inches to 24 inches and rim width from 1.5 inches to 20 inches. Maximum wheel diameter reaches 44 inches or 1,117 millimeter. Maximum wheel weight equals 155 pounds. Cycle time ranges 4 to 7 seconds with balancing accuracy from -1 gram to +1 gram. Sound level stays below 70 decibel. Power options support 110 volt or 220 volt at 50 or 60 Hz with maximum power between 180 and 250 watt. The device includes centering cones, quick release wing nut hood protector, and side hardware with blue powder coat finish.